Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the one and only Jazz Marie. I know I haven't posted in like a year or so. Basically, I'm like, I have to get back to doing YouTube. I love doing YouTube. If you guys want to see how I got these beautiful curls, Beyoncé inspired me, of course. She just had this color in and she has some bouncy luxury curls just like these. And I'm just like, I gotta do them. And then her hair was just like this kind of, but it was brown. But you know, your girl had to get something like it. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got these curls, keep watching the video. First, I'm going to comb through my hair to make sure there's no knots or tangles. Then I'm going to separate the blonde part from the black part and curl it by itself, just because it makes a better curling pattern, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to wrap the hair around just like I'm using a wand. First impression. When I curl my hair instead of a wand, the curls tend to come out looser. So you guys are probably like, why don't you just use a wand? I use a curling iron because the curls come out looser. And plus, my wand is broke. But yeah, I'm thinking about replacing it. Well, I am going to replace one. But yeah, so I'm just going to let the music continue. By the way, if you guys see me talking in the video, it's because I was going to record the video and talk to you guys, but then I realized the background was too loud, so I decided to just do a voiceover. So basically, I'm gonna tell you guys what you guys should be expecting on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing clothing try-ons, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, or any tutorials that you guys want me to do. And of course, I'll be doing reviews and everything like that. And plus, I'll be doing a bunch of giveaways for Hawaiian Cosmetics, my cosmetics brand. If you guys didn't know, I have a cosmetic brand called Hawaiian Cosmetics, and I'll be doing a bunch of giveaways on that. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Hawaiian Cosmetics, and the Hawaiian Cosmetic Backup page at Hawaiian Cosmetic Backup. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. So this side of my hair, I'm gonna repeat the same step and curl just the blonde streak by itself, and just wrap it around the curling iron and let it go. And then, you know, of course, repeating the same steps I did on the other side. So I'm just gonna let the music play. While I'm doing this voiceover, I'm realizing how funny my face expressions is. I look crazy, so don't mind that, guys. Open up, cold as ice and if you guys didn't notice, once I start to get to the back of the hair, I start to divide the hair in bigger pieces, just because Beyoncé hair was a loose curl and that's the look I'm going for. So the bigger the pieces, the looser the curl is, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. Open up. But I'm going to speed up the video a little bit faster just so you guys can see me hurry up and curl my hair, because I'm guessing you guys already get the vibe I'm doing, because it's the same thing I've been doing since the beginning. So I'm going to speed up the video. This is the finished look. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. And comment if you guys want to see me doing a dress try-on. And comment if you guys want to see me doing another hair tutorial. And thank you guys for watching.